Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, tech stocks got a bit of a hiding yesterday, which is why we've got this big red engulfing bar here. But it is a flag of sorts, and we do have a close below the bottom of the flag. There's no fractals to the downside, so I say flag of sorts. And also V reversals are rare, so pick your poison. Could be a flag or it could just be a consolidation range. But the textbook logic here, which is normally fairly sound, is that you're looking for a 1,100 point move to the downside if this flag breaks from there. And it's going to go straight 1,100 point. It's going to go straight into this area of support down here. And I'm just going to put a zone in, because that would be the very first place I'd take profit at 39,743 on this pin bar. But just above this is obviously a previous all-time high. And if you look at this on the weekly, you'll see what I mean. There's a previous all-time high. But this big weekly rejection bar here is something telling. However, we are in an uptrend. So this year has been big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion as we wait to see what direction the markets are going to go in. So I'm not convinced that we have a big fall brewing, but what I am convinced of is that we're looking for an area of support, which could very well be this area here, so 41.20. So the logic here is very simple. We have a strong move down, we have a flag, could be a flag break and retest with an ultimate target all the way down here at 39,500, but we're not going to get there in one go, so you more than likely see us touch 41.20. I would be a buyer at that level and move back up, take profit just underneath the flag, see if we get a rejection, look for another opportunity down. If that works, then I'd hold for the break of this level. And then if you just look left, you'll see there'll be multiple levels that you'll keep wanting to take profit, wait for the swing back up, and then rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So anyway, that's kind of the big macro view that you can see at the moment. The converse of all of this is the divergence that's in place. So it's bullish divergence. We're above the moving averages. We're sort of in an uptrend. So trading short would be against the trend. Now, if you look at the 3 hour, we have got a break below the moving averages, which is there, but we are still above the 150. So technically the trend is still up. Oscillators all over the place just at the moment, nothing really to help us. And China's obviously getting a bit of a hiding at the moment because of what we found yesterday. And you'll see the chaos when I get down lower. So the whole day was up and down, up and down, up and down. Nothing really to write home about. So, if I start drawing a line along the top here, that's my range. We're playing with the bottom of the range. So is it a flag? It's a fairly decent setup for a flag, but I'd want to be short higher up. I don't want to be jumping in short here because this could just turn out to be bottom of range. Look at my oscillators, well below the 20 at the moment. So do you really feel that we're going to continue falling? It is possible, but I think I'd rather wait for a pullback. And as I say that, we have a big squirt down. I'd rather wait for a pullback higher up. So let's just get here. So what I'd rather wait for is a retest. I'm going to put both the levels in here, because that would close the gap. So I would rather wait for a revisit to 4,400, possibly 43.66, but I think 4,400 is a nice big round number, closes the gap, lots of support or resistance to the left, so I'd rather say. So that would be my area short, and then first target is going to be this area right here at 41.20, because that is the previous weekly highs, or the previous all-time highs. So that will definitely be a profit-taking area, and I'd actually be interested in taking a long at this level. Just looking for a move back up to test this break. It is looking like it's starting to take place. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Don't get too caught up in this flag, to be honest. Just delete it, because this could just be a bigger range as well. Very, very possible. Okay, so yeah, I'm sit on hands until we get a retest higher up, and gap close is what I'd be looking for. So 4,400, I want price back up there, and then you can reject that area. That would give me the opportunity to look for the short. At the moment, I'm a little bit skeptical. A couple of big stocks are down, but at the end of the day, it is earnings season. It's typical what happens, and stocks are not designed to move in the downward direction. They're designed to ebb and flows. In other words, up and down. And age-old tradition is to buy the dip. So you're going to find people coming in when they see value in the stocks that are down at the moment to buy, myself included. So I wouldn't read too much into it. It's just a little bit of a reset. You've got to pick the area where that reset's going to be, and where do you want to continue buying again. Hope it helps, and we won't see you tomorrow morning, but we'll definitely see you on Friday morning. Cheers for now.